Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Siti Faida. In this video, I would like to present a mini research for the linguistic course. This research discusses about pragmatical true sign found at Aeon Mall, Tanjung Barat. Okay, for the first sign is this sign function as a direct command. Instruction people to follow this route in an emergency. It contacts in public space, implying that user understanding emergency situation and need to proceed to safety immediately. Locational react-nya doesn't say jalur evakuasi and show a running person and arrow. It literally means evacuation route. A locational react-nya design give an instruction. It's tell people that use in route during an emergency. And the per locational react-nya, people follow the arrow, go to the evacuate route, and move to a safe place.
Denunciation, the six show the evacuation route to safely exit in an emergency. Connotation, it suggests safety, preparedness, and role compliance. Myth, it reinforces the belief that authorities ensure public safety through rules and systems.
Hello everyone, my name is Nur Rahma and I will explain from the perspective of linguistic landscape analysis. And the first sign is jalur evakuasi sign. Jalur evakuasi signs use Indonesian language indicating a local audience typically displayed with bright color and accompanied by arrows or running figure. Serves informational, regulatory, and symbolic function, showing compliance with safety standards.
Okay, for the second sign is exit. The exit sign tell people where they should go to the lift or building area. It works as a clear instruction to guide people to the nearest way out. Locational react-nya, it literally means that way out. And illocational react-nya design give a direction or instruction. It tell people where to go to leave the building. And per locational react-nya, the people follow the sign, move forward to exit, and leave the building safely.
Denunciation, tanda menunjukkan pintu keluar dari ruangan atau gedung. Connotation, menyiratkan keselamatan dan kebebasan dan menunjukkan perhatian wajib dan kepatuhan pada aturan keselamatan. Myth, tanda exit mencerminkan standar global dengan bahasa Inggris sebagai simbol modalitas dan keselamatan internasional.
Okay, everyone. And the next sign is exit sign. The sign used English as global lingua franca is top-down authority issued and reflects globalization and international standards in public space signage.
Okay, for the third sign is the sign is used to warn people not to lean on the glass for safety reason. It's placed in a public area to prevent accident or damage. For the locational react-nya, do not lean on the glass. It literally means of the sentence. And illocational react-nya, warning or prohibition people from leaning on the glass. And the perlocational react-nya, people stop leaning on the glass and act more carefully.
Denunciation, the sign forbids leaning on glass to prevent dangers or damage. Connotation, it signals caution and property protection. The prohibitive language conveys authority and safety. Myth, the sign reflects social norms in public space, emphasizing obedience, discipline, and respect for facility.
Okay, everyone. And the next sign is Dilarang bersandar pada kaca. Dilarang bersandar pada kaca sign used Indonesian indicating a local public sign in an Indonesian speaking context. It is a top-down sign authoritative from management authority, communicates rules in a direct, formal tone typical of regulatory signage in a public or commercial space or commercial spaces.
Okay, for the fourth sign is the sign tell the customer where they should go to pay for the item. It guide people to the correct place, line up, and complete their purchase. And locationary act-nya mean this place for payment. And illocationary act-nya, the sign mean to direct customer to go this counter to pay what for they have taken. And perlocutionary act-nya, customer move toward the cashier, line up, and get ready to pay for their food.
Denunciation, the scene indicates the cashier counter where customer pay. Connotation, it suggests transaction, payment, and order. Myth, the scene reflects modern customer culture, symbolizing efficient organization and smart commerce in public space.
Okay, for the next sign it is cashier sign. The sign's RP cashier is part of linguistic landscapes in a food court. It uses the local currency symbol RP and the English word cashier. This shows us a mix of local and global language. The design is simple and clear, so visitor can easily find payment area. This is a top-down sign made by the mall management for information. The sign reflects globalization while keeping local identity.
Okay, for the fifth sign is pragmatical mean that there is an elevator in that direction, so people can find it easy without asking for help. Locationary act-nya, the sign show an elevator symbol and arrow pointing forward. And illocationary act-nya, the sign direct people to go straight to reach the elevator. Perlocationary act-nya, people change their direct and walk toward the elevator.
Denunciation, the six show an elevator for transporting people or goods between floors. Connotation, it suggests modernity, efficient, and convention, implementing saving and accessibility. Myth, elevator symbolize urban progress and sophistication, portraying tall building and technology as sign of success and modern life.
Okay, and the next sign is elevator signs. Elevator sign, this is a directional sign for an elevator in a public indoor space. The sign uses symbols, not words, such as an elevator, picture, and up-down doors. The design is simple and clear, so it's easy to understand. This is a top-down sign made by building management. Its function to give information and help all visitors find to the elevator easily.
Okay, the sixth sign is the sign pragmatically means that escalator is located on the left, helping people navigate the building without asking for direction. And locationary act-nya, the design show escalator symbol with a left pointing arrow. And locationary act-nya, the sign direct people go to left to find the escalator, and perlocutionary act-nya, people turn left and use the escalator.
Denunciation, the six show a person on a downward escalator indicating movement to a lower floor. Connotation is suggests direction, convention, safety, and efficiency in public space. Myth, it reflects modern urban culture where people follow visual symbols and public rules to maintain order and efficiency.
And for the next sign is escalator sign. Escalator sign is a directional sign for an escalator. The sign features a pictogram of person using an escalator and alert directional road. With the enumerating language, its symbol design, high contrast, and universal symbols help people quickly understand the message. From a linguistic landscape perspective, the sign is also a top-down sign used for public information. The characteristic of the sign reflects efficiency, clarity, and globalized visual communication.
Okay, this sign pragmatically means that the restaurant doesn't allow the animal. Locationary act-nya, the design show an animal symbol with a cross on it. Illocationary act-nya, the sign tell people the animal aren't allowed in this area or restaurant. Perlocutionary act-nya, people do not bring pets inside the restaurant.
Denunciation Telsey indicates no pets are allowed in the area. Connotation it suggests restriction, control, and cleanliness. Animals are seen as potential disruptive or unhygienic. Myth it reflects the belief that public space shall be clean, orderly, and humans can treat with rules ensuring shared comfort and discipline.
And for the next sign is no outside food and drink. This sign shows pictures of food and a drink with a prohibition symbol. It means outside food and drink are not allowed. This sign uses visual symbol instead of word. The design is simple and clear, so it's easy to understand. This is a top-down sign made by an authority to control visitor behavior. The universal symbol helps people from different language backgrounds understand the rules.
Okay, for the eighth sign is pragmatically mean that the restaurant prohibit outside food and drinks. Locationary act-nya, the sign show food and drink symbol with a cross on them. Illocationary act-nya, the sign tell people that outside food and drink are not allowed. And perlocationary act-nya, people do not bring outside food and drink into the restaurant.
Denunciation Telsey indicate that food and drinks are not allowed in the area. Connotation is suggests restriction, cleanliness, and behavior. Control, eating or drinking might cause mess or damage. Myth it reflects the belief that public space shall be clean, orderly, and professional, and rules are necessary for shared comfort and discipline.
And for the next sign is no pet sign. No pet sign. These signs show a picture of pet with prohibition symbol, which means pets are not allowed. The sign use visual symbols instead of words. Design is simple with clear icon and contrasting colors, so it is easy to understand. This is a top-down sign made by authority to control behavior in public space. The universal symbol helps all visitors understand the message easily.
Okay, the ninth. This sign is tell customer that some products are being sold at the lower price for a limited time. Locationary act-nya, the sign literally say that certain products are on promotion and show discount prices and special offer for this week. In locationary act-nya, the sign intend to persuade customer to buy this product by telling them that they are cheaper and part of special deal. And per locationary act-nya, customer feel attracted to the offer, become interested, and are more likely to choose or buy the promote item instead of the other product.
Denunciation tanda menunjukkan diskon makanan untuk waktu terbatas dengan gambar, produk, dan timer hitung mundur. Connotation menyiratkan urgensi, keseruan, penghematan, keputusan cerdas, dan daya tarik atau status. Myth mencerminkan budaya konsumen modern bahwa membeli saat diskon memberi keuntungan, kepuasan, dan status sosial serta menormalkan belanja cepat dan cerdas sebagai bagian gaya hidup modern.
Okay, everyone, for the next sign is promotion sign. This is a promotional sign at a food counter in a shopping mall. The sign uses English words like promotion and best promo this week, along with prices in Indonesian currency. It uses bold text, bright and red colors, and product picture to attract customers. This is a bottom-up sign made by the seller for promotional purpose. The English word gives a modern and global feel, while the local currency shows the local context.
Okay, and the last sign is circle. The symbol pragmatically means that packaging is environmentally friendly, and the use is expected to throw the packaging away responsibly and especially in recycle bin as a part of environmental awareness. And locationary act-nya, the packaging show recycling symbol. Tree allow forming a triangle. Locationary act-nya, the symbol tell people that the packaging can be recycled. And per locationary act-nya, people dispose of packaging in a recycle bin.
Denunciation, the three-arrow symbol indicates the packaging is recyclable or made from recycled materials. Connotation, it suggests environmental friendliness and social responsibility. The product is seen as green meat. It reinforces the myth of guilt-free consumption, implying the product helps save the environment despite still creating waste.
Okay, everyone, for the last sign is recycling sign. Recycle sign. This sign shows a recycling symbol on a chopstick wrapper in Aeon Mall. It has three rows forming a triangle with a leaf in the center. The sign uses symbol, not words, to deliver an environmental message. The brown color and symbol design represent sustainability. This is a top-down sign provided by the mall or food outlet to promote eco-friendly values.